Good morning, YouTube. We are way behind schedule, 2 hours to be exact, but we are finally making our way to Kaaiman grassie. I have no knowledge about what Kaaiman grassie is, but what I do know is that it used to be an old mine. A mine used by Siralco in the past. This is looking like an endless road. Our second pit stop. We've been driving for almost an hour and we're still not getting anywhere. This is what exploring is all about. Exploring the unknown. Hello again. We did not reach our original destination, but we finally reached an old bauxite mine, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Siralco used to mine bauxite in this area, which led to the creation of this large mine. I have no known history about the mine. I don't think it's swimmable, but I would like to find out. There we have Princess Uday. I don't know why he's using an umbrella, but I do think I'm less of a man. Giant Uday is going to attempt the leap of faith. If he misses, he will fall down into the abyss. I hope he falls down for the sake of YouTube. Jump, Mowgli! Hey! That was a nice jump. I have to attempt another jump. I'm going for it. Oh, that went well. I'm still athletic as ever. Now, what do we have here? We have an amazing view of the lake. So that wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, like the video, comment down below, and please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Peace.